What's up? It's Lester Crypto Keys, XRP coming back at you. You haven't heard if you had your XRP on Binance US. Yeah, they're still in your bags of SGB Songbird. It's a pretty sad situation, man, that these exchanges are fucking thieves. Really irritates me, man. But I had my XRP on Coinbase, Binance US, and then I had it on a cold storage wallet. So at least I got a third of my Songbird I was supposed to get, because I was so paranoid about keeping all my crypto in one place, you know. Figure out how to distribute it, but I just want to let the XRP Army know, and anybody that's invested in crypto, that, you know, the cold wallet is your best bet. You know, the Ledger, Nano X, or Pel Titan, or the Bifrost. You know, it's, you gotta get your own keys, man. If it ain't your keys, it ain't your crypto. But at that time, I was just, you know, I'm so paranoid, man, about all the scams and everything. But I'm more educated in the crypto game now. So get you a cold storage wallet. You know, it's not right what Binance US is doing to their customers. And then the fucked up thing is that they're talking about giving you your Spark token, right? So I'm stuck with these motherfuckers for 3 years? So they already stole my shit, right? Yeah, I'm mad. This isn't right, man. So they're gonna take mine, SGB, and the other airdrop, and I'm stuck with them for 3 years. Like, I can't even boycott their shit because I have to be on there just to make sure I get my other drops. Hoping. But at least I got something. And you know what? I would have had, I'm not going to tell you about how many bags I had coming. But, at least I got a third coming. And, you know, if you didn't have that much, and I think if you're in the XRP Army, you understand about the utility and what's getting created. And you just keep wrapping your Songbird, yank it out every week, keep compounding, keep re-wrapping it, and let that stuff get bigger. And we're gonna all get to the promised land, man. We're all pioneers here. We're just on YouTube, going to YouTube University. The XRP Army is the best cult. That's right. I said I'd never be in a cult, man. We are a motherfucking cult. But I'll tell you what, we're the most educated, the most rabbit hole digging, going down and dirty investing. Seeing, we're the smart retail investors. And if you just got in the XRP Army, welcome. You know, we have a lot of haters. Bittboy? Yeah, Bittboy. You fucking hated XRP. When I first got in the crypto game, man, all you did was talk about being married to your coin and talking shit. But it's okay. We like you. You got 1 million+ subscribers. Keep chilling it out, bro. But, I'm proud of you. The XRP Army fucking leader, though, Supreme, fucking stupid, bro. But, you're still the man. I still watch your channel. And I can't be mad at you, bro. I'm proud of you, bro. Your little story about, you know, running around the police, that was crazy, bro. And, you know, to have the courage to say your past. And in my description below, I have a story too, but to let people know that you were a fuck up and a drug addict, but you made it to the promised land. So, yeah. What the fuck am I talking about? Wow. I really gotta make a video of my true story, man, let y'all know. That was a fuck up. That was a fuck up. But I was just irritated about Binance US. But I think I'm about ready to fucking let you guys know. I've made some big strides in my life. I've came from a long way in a matter of a short time. And crypto and being part of the XRP Army and investing and researching. And it's took me to a whole new fucking level. A whole new level. It's the greatest digital asset ever created. And your mind will totally change once you start realizing. Yeah, I'm just fucking busy. It's Sunday. I'm going through some things in my life. It's fucked up, man. Diamond hands. And some serious shit happened yesterday. And fucking that diamond broke, dude. I had to take some out. But I paid all my credit cards off. I mean, I paid almost everything off. But damn, man. Situations of life. And that's what you gotta understand. You're a retail investor. And we ain't got money like institutions. Shit's gonna happen in life. But the good thing is that I have at my disposal. Cause I'm a diamond hand. I fucking got diamond hands. I fucking won't touch my shit for nothing. But when you have to have it there to make it happen, it's nice. Because years ago I couldn't do that. Years ago I didn't have a pot to piss in. I never had $100 on me. Now I fucking, let's just say I'm fucking well, dude. I got a Lamborghini doors and a 2008 Ford Edge fucking Chameleon paint and Raptor liner. You already know! But it ain't where I want to be, man. I want life-changing wealth. I want a body shop. I want to restore cars. I want to accept crypto. You know, I want to progress the industry. I want to be an entrepreneur. Man, I don't even know when I'm gonna put this video. I'm just fucking rambling, dude. I'm fucked up right now. Just on life. Bull run's coming to. I'm in a fucking gas station parking lot, just. But you know, listen to me. Life's gonna throw a bunch of shit at you. Success is not an easy road. It's like walking through a grave of all these dead people around you that didn't make it. It's a lonely walk to success. It's a lonely walk to invest in something no one else sees the future in. It's very hard. It's mental, psychological. You have to get down and dirty and dig deep in your fucking soul. Like, I'll tell you one thing, when people are sleeping, I'm fucking working. When people are, it doesn't matter, I will outwork any motherfucker on this goddamn planet. You hear me? David Goggins, what's up? Stay hard. Les Brown, man, he's the man. Man, I'm just telling you, like, motivational videos. Billy Osbrook, woo! That motherfucker right there, boy. You listen to his videos. But it's like, it's a mindset. You can listen to as many motivational videos as you want, but if you don't wake up and apply that shit and grind and get down and dirty and fucking work and hurt and just, I mean, I've been in my garage floor, man, I've actually just fell asleep of exhaustion on my floor. So many times. I wake up and, man, I've grinded so hard to accumulate these bags. Because when this super altcoin cycle season blows up, I'm gonna fucking drop bags on necks. Like, yeah! And I'm gonna make life-changing wealth. And I'm gonna have some other coins sitting onto the side for utility. for that life-changing wealth. And then I'm going to watch them fucking just go to nothing. But it's always that chance that they might not. You know, you never sell all your crypto. I'm really just rambling on. I'm really just going through some things right now. I'm not making no fucking sense. But hopefully, it's up to God, it's up to Jesus, baby. Yeah. Put all my faith in Jesus, bro. I will fail my way to success. And I know Jesus has a plan for me. And I know he will never throw anything that he knows I can't handle. And I know he knows I can handle this. And I know I can handle what's coming at me right now. Because he is my rod and my staff and my comfort. I will walk through the shadow of the valley of death with no fear. I will make it to the promised land. I will become a cryptonaire. I am a fucking cryptonaire. Do you hear me? I am the man. I am a fucking monster. They talk about beast mode. I'm the monster. I am the beast. I will fucking get my goals. I will grab it by its fucking neck and choke it until I fucking win. That's how bad. I want this shit as bad as I want to breathe. I will change my kid's life. I will. The failure is not acceptable, man. I'm treating this like Mortal Kombat. Flawless victory. I'm coming through like Scorpio, baby. Get over here! But, what's up, XRP Army? This is me. I'm going through some things right now, and I don't know, maybe this might help somebody, and that's why I'm doing this, because YouTube and motivational videos helped me when I had nothing, when I was a drug addict, sticking needles in my arm, but that ain't me no more, that's the past. I came a long fucking way. A long way. I bought a home. I got all 22 mechanic state certifications in Michigan. For 2 years of my life, all I did was take state tests 1 to 3 times a week, non-stop. No license. I rode the bus for 4 years every day. Then I had a second job to ride the bus to the Secretary of State to take my test. Then I walked in the snow to my other job when it was winter. In pain, and it wasn't easy. Non-stop grinding. I have my license now. I have full custody of my daughter. I bought a home. I have tons of bags of crypto, ready to make this life-changing wealth. I'm drug-free. I'm alcohol-free. I don't smoke no more. And it's all possible. You can do it. Hold your bags. Make life-changing wealth. Wow, whoa. That hurt my fucking head, bro. I just went hard. Lester Crypto Keys out, man. I guess I just told you. You know my past. See ya.